In some shows, they put like, I think they put like filters and stuff over their voices, but for this, like to me at least, it sounded completely raw.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel Suport Musikal. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat dua reaktor asal luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan seperti apakah keseruan dari reaksi mereka, langsung saja kita gaskan.
Let's check out what this is all about. I still haven't found what I'm looking for, so I know the song from YouTube. And let's see what she made of this. Putri Ariani on America's Got Talent in the semifinals 2023. Here we go.
And she is singing U2's I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For at the AGT qualifiers. Jump right into this reaction. Let's go.
I have the land highest mountain.
Just do an acapella to start at least.
I have
Dimulai dengan akapela katanya guys ya.
I have the land highest mountains. I have run
It's beautiful.
through the fields only to be with you, only to be with you.
Okay, I just want to say before we finish this up, because I'm assuming that it's going to go from the performance into the discussions with the judges at the end. Her voice is like, Putri is just,
But I still
Haven't found. Oof. Okay.
what I'm looking for. I believe in the kingdom come.
Beliau ini adalah
And
seorang gitaris ya
all the
guys.
colors will bleed into one, bleed into one. But yes, I'm still running. You broke the bonds and you lose a chance. Carried the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame. You know I believe you broke the bonds and you lose a chance.
Yes.
Carried the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame. You know I believe.
Nice shift to the head voice there.
gorgeous. And, you know, in some shows, they put like, I think they put like filters and stuff over their voices, but for this,
Dikira pakai
to
filter
me,
suara guys
at
ya.
least, it sounded completely raw.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But
It's so different than the original.
still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found
Damn. Whew, that gave the goosebumps.
Dia sampai merinding guys.
It's just beautiful to see how where she's going and seeing her on this big stage and performing in front of all these people. And it's just it's a beautiful moment for Putri. Pardon me.
What I'm looking for.
Ending yang luar biasa sekali gitu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
For her to just go from 0 to 100, it's just like, it is gorgeous. And she's just so talented. And it is very exciting to see that she now has this huge platform to.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Man, that one that she went like an octave higher.
Putri Ariani.
Very unexpected. And very very strong.
Sangat kuat sekali katanya.
I'm actually kind of speechless right now.
Yeah, it is totally different than the original song, of course. And we know how Bono sings it with U2.
Every artist has their own interpretation of a song. Because a lot of songs mean different things to different people. And so that was a beautiful rendition. It'd be kind of awesome if they let her do like a full cover of it and post it somewhere. That'd be amazing. Also, I really do hope
Making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi.
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally, so beautiful. And I do hope,
I mean, it's a compliment nonetheless,
that Bono
but-
gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning, stunning, stunning voice. Thank you so much.
Great comment, Howie. Perfection.
Thank you so much.
Protection.
Putri, what do you want to say to Simon and the rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you so much.
of course I'm sure that she stayed on the show at least for the next. I know that they do like rounds of stuff, and this was the qualifier, so I'm sure that she's going to go on to the next round or into the full season or something. I'm not exactly sure what steps the show takes, but I'm sure that she made it to the next step. So I'm excited to see where she goes with that. Thank you all very much for watching.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari para reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video-video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.